Alif Lam Mim. This is the book. In it is guidance sure, without doubt, to those who fear Allah, who believe in the unseen, are steadfast in prayer, and spend out of what we have provided for them, and who believe in the revelation sent to thee, and sent before thy time, and in their hearts have the assurance of the hereafter. They are on true guidance from their Lord, and it is these who will prosper. As to those who reject faith, it is the same to them whether thou warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe. Allah hath set a seal on their hearts, and on their hearing, and on their eyes is a veil. Great is the penalty they incur. Of the people there are some who say, we believe in Allah and the last day. Fain would they deceive Allah and those who believe, but they only deceive themselves and realize it not. In their hearts is a disease, and Allah has increased their disease, and grievous is the penalty they incur, because they are false to themselves. When it is said to them, make not mischief on the earth, they say, why, we only want to make peace. Of a surety, they are the ones who make mischief, but they realize it not. When it is said to them, believe as the others believe, they say, shall we believe as the fools believe? Nay, of a surety they are the fools, but they do not know. When they meet those who believe, they say, we believe. But when they are alone with their evil ones, they say, we are really with you. We were only Allah will throw back their mockery on them and give them rope in their trespasses. So they will wander like blind ones to and fro. These are they who have bartered guidance for error, but their traffic is profitless, and they have lost true direction. Their similitude is that of a man who kindled a fire. When it lighted all around him, Allah took away their light and left them in utter darkness, so they could not see. Deaf, dumb, and blind, they will not return to the path. Or another similitude is that of a rain-laden cloud from the sky. In it are zones of darkness and thunder and lightning. They press their fingers in their ears to keep out the stunning thunderclap, though while they are in terror of death. But Allah is ever round the rejectors of faith. The lightning all but snatches away their sight. Every time the light helps them, they walk therein. And when the darkness grows on them, they stand still. And if Allah willed, He could take away their faculty of hearing and seeing, for Allah hath power over all things. O the people, adore your guardian Lord, who created you and those who came before you, that they may have the chance to learn righteousness, who has made the earth your couch, and the heavens your canopy, and sent down rain from the heavens, and brought forth therewith fruits for your sustenance. Then set not up rivals unto Allah when ye know the truth. And if ye are in doubt as to what we have revealed from time to time to our servant, then produce a surah like thereinto, and call your witnesses or helpers, if there are any besides Allah, if your doubts are true. But if they cannot, and of a surety they cannot, then fear the fire whose fuel is men and stones, which is prepared for those who reject faith, those who break Allah's covenant after it is ratified, and who sunder what Allah has ordered to be joined, and do mischief on earth. These cause loss only to themselves. How can they reject the faith in Allah, seeing that ye were without life, and He gave you life? Then will He cause you to die, and will again bring you to life, and again to Him will ye return. It is He who hath created for you all things that are on earth, Moreover, his design comprehended the heavens, for he gave order and perfection to the 7 firmaments, and of all things he hath perfect knowledge. Behold, thy Lord said to the angels, I will create a vicegerent on earth. They said, Wilt thou place therein one who will make mischief therein and shed blood, whilst we do celebrate thy praises and glorify thy holy name? He said, I know what the know-nots